guys, welcome to another episode of Jarring Science for Kids. Today's host is Nita.
In today's experiment, how viruses spread. Let's get started. You're going to need a jar, cotton balls, and food coloring in the top lid. Put some cotton balls in your jar. These are healthy cells. Now we're making the virus. Coat your cotton ball and food coloring. Get it very wet. Dip it in when you messed up a little. Add one more just in case. Put your virus cell in the jar. Put on the lid. Screw the lid on tight. Shake your jar quickly. Shake it. Good, it's all green. Now all the healthy cells are affected. That's how viruses spread in the body.
Here's the science between this experiment. A virus is like a copier. Once your body is infected with the virus, it gets inside your cells. From there, it changes the RNA inside of the cell to make new RNA strands of the virus instead of the healthy cell. These viral copies then go out to the other cells of the body because they want friends, but they're not really good friends. If your white blood cells don't catch those virus cells in time, yeah, you're sick. Viruses can spread through the air or on surfaces or through mucous membranes like your nose, your mouth, and your eyes. Most common viruses can be prevented by hand washing, cleaning surfaces regularly, and staying away from others while you're sick. Because you don't want to get your friends sick, do you? We're so lucky that we have immune systems that actually work. See you next time!